Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with the unboxing and installation of this 26-inch full 13x6 body wave wig from Cynosure hair. And they actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So we are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and get into this wig unboxing and see what she's giving it. We just pulling it right out the pack. As you can see, this is from Cynosure, and I've always heard Cynosure has some bomb hair. So we shall see today. Oh, okay, we got some heaviness here. So she is kind of thick. She is super thick. So hold on, I'm gonna sit the wig to the side, and we're gonna look at everything we got in the bag first. So as you can see, you have this tape. So this wig is actually glueless, but this tape, with it being a 13x6 wig, you want to kind of tape down the sides so it doesn't just go everywhere. So it does come with like spare tape, so you can re-wear the wig, of course. Side, you have a wig cap, you got some lashes, a headband to melt the lace, edge comb, like, let me get back because the camera don't know what's going on right now. Why is the camera dancing? Okay. You got a lot of stuff in here, so that is super cool. But now let's get to the nitty gritty. Let's see what this wig is giving. So this is 26 inches, you guys. So that's a nice length. That is good. If it's true to length, oh, it's going to eat. We shall see. Oh, she is thick. Let me get back so you all can see the hair for real. Let me kind of scoot back a little bit. Bam, here she is. Like, yeah, that is very thick. Oh my goodness. That is thick. Look at that. Wow, that's a lot of hair. Ooh, and it smells good. It smells like freaking shampoo. It smells so good. But look at that. That is very thick. And here's the hairline. It is pre-plucked, but I'm probably gonna pluck it just a wee bit more, but it looks good, you guys. Like, let's take off this white thing so we can see what the lace actually looks like. So, bam, you have a full 13x6. No kind of weird U part. They're not cheating you on the lace at all. Like, you got a lot of parting space here, so we have to do a deep side part. Like, we must. It's an absolute must today. And it does have an elastic band in the back, so the wig will be super secure. And as you can see, here is the little tape. Bam, the tape. So the tape in the back that they gave you that I showed you all, that's just some extra tape in case you want to reinstall the wig or whatever. But you get a lot of parting space. So let's go ahead and get into this wig install because I'm super excited. Like, this is thick. Okay, bam. Look at her. She looks really cutesy. Oh my goodness. Bam. She's eating. So, first things first, let's go ahead and take off this excess lace. Like, this looks gorgeous. Maybe I just haven't had like a normal body wave wig in a minute, but I'm kind of shook. I think she's cutesy. Right in time. I definitely needed a wig like this. But yes, okay, we're going to cut off this excess lace over here. Bam. And now we're going to use an eyebrow razor to shave off this excess lace. Bam. That's how it's looking right now, but we're going to hit this lace with a little bit of makeup so it looks closer to my skin tone, and it really gives. Bam. Okay. So this is just like my Morphe setting powder, I believe, or no, pressed powder. And it is my color, like my exact color almost. But I do also like to use a color a little darker than my skin tone sometimes too. It just depends. But I'm putting this all over the lace where at least you can see the lace. And as you can see, the lace is slowly disappearing as we're adding this makeup to it. Like, okay, she's eating. And I will say this wig does feel very secure. Even though we don't have anything on it just yet, like, I think this is a nice, like, it fits my head. I have a big head, so I'm happy. So here is the tape. We are going to go ahead and use the tape right here. We're going to stick the wig down, bam. So let's peel off the tape first and foremost. or the little blue paper on the tape. Bam. And now actually stick the wig where we want it to be, which is right here. Bam. And we got one side secure, guys. Bam. Now this side, same thing. Over here. Okay, now that we got the wig secured, let me add a little bit more makeup here. But we are going to work on our side part now and get the side part given what we want it to give. So I always like my side part on the right for some reason, but I'm gonna have it right here. Bam. And we get to do a nice deep side part today. Like, yes, I am living for it. I am absolutely living for it. Bam. I think that's a good place for your side part. That's pretty good. So let's actually slick it down so our side part doesn't move anywhere and get it looking how we want it to look. I like to make my part just a little bit wider. So I'm just plucking inside of the part a little bit. I like a little baby hair with the side part. I feel like it helps it do its swoop. It gets the swoop right. So I am going to add just a wee bit of baby hair. Like, see, that changes the swoop a little bit. So just a little baby hair gets the job done. Not too much, nothing too crazy. This is a new trick I learned with the baby hairs. So you take like a super skinny, I might need to cut some of these hairs too so it can like ease into the hair, right? So let's kind of cut some of those. But yes, you take a skinny little flat iron and you curl it first. You curl it so you don't have those super glued down type of baby hairs. So you can get some somewhat wispy type of baby hairs. Oops, I'm dropping stuff. Ignore that, guys. I'm over here dropping stuff. Let me cut this one too. Bam. And now, that's when you go in with the mousse. And as you can see, you got some wispy, nice baby hairs. Shh, that's cutesy. That's cutesy. She's eating. She's eating. Super cutesy. Nothing too dramatic. Nothing too crazy. But we kind of want it to stay, so let's hit it with a little hairspray. Bam. And now I'm going to add some makeup to the part so the part just pops and you can see it just ease into itself. But we're looking cutesy. I feel like I haven't had like black hair in so long. So I'm excited. Like, this is so cutesy to me. And even just this wave with no curl eats. We might not even end up curling this hair because I really like it right now. Let me add a darker makeup to the actual lace too, because I like it to ease in with my contour. So that's what I was telling you all earlier when I'm using, like, I sometimes use a darker powder on my lace. So it eases in with my makeup a little more. But let's go in with a little makeup on the part now. She's cute. She's super duper cute. Like, ah! So I think I'm going to keep with the more wavy type of look. But let me just kind of curl this front piece again, because it's just been through a lot since we've been tugging at it and doing all that. Like, this looks cute. I'm obsessed. I really am obsessed. And now this one side. Like, oh my goodness, I look so beautiful. I look beautiful. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. What? I look so cute. But yes, bam. And guys, honestly, that is it. This hair is so beautiful. Let me see, I'm gonna add a little mousse up here. This wig is just so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I am obsessed. Cynosure, like, look at how thick this hair is. Like, hold on, I'm gonna turn around. Put the hair to the back, like, wow. She's super thick, super pretty. I am obsessed. Okay guys, so this is the final look for this wig. Like, she eats. The wig is super duper thick. Like, look how gorgeous this is. I am obsessed. But of course I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and have a great day, you guys. Bye.